What's going on YouTube? So as you can see, the van is kind of missing some pieces. So didn't really film any of taking this apart just because it's a lot of me walking. I don't think y'all want to see that. So we got everything for the most part that we can see unhooked. So we are ready to pull the cab. We gotta get the wax off first, and then once we have that, we're gonna get the cab pulled. But right now we're just gonna go ahead and get the wax off and then get it set up, and we'll bring y'all back once we are pulling the cab.
All right.
Okay, so as you saw, we picked the cab up. We had a couple things that we had to get through. We had one bolt that wouldn't come out for the mount that we had to kind of destroy, but we got it out. So the other thing about this, I'm not trying to destroy anything on this, but I really don't care if I do. So I probably could have got this off a lot easier if I just cut everything, but I kind of want to keep it just in case I sell it or whatever. So other than that, we are, as you can see, we got the engine exposed. I think all we got to do to get this out is fuel lines, the what are called bolts, the
Engine mounts, yeah.
Transmission mount, drive shaft, and exhaust. I think that's all we got to do, and probably unhook that startle too. But that's about it. So we are. Howdy YouTube. So today we got the motor from the van out, the motor and transmission that's sitting here. Just got it in from the shop, just got it in the shop. But yeah, so here it is. Let me spin it on. Alright, so here's the motor and transmission. Like I said, the things that are different that I know that I've is this right here, the intercool or the oil cool. What else? Oil cool. The turbo is different. This got a smaller turbo. Plus, there's no intercool on this. There was no intercool on this truck, so it's gonna make a difference. Trying to think what else. One thing I gotta figure out is with this. I gotta double check my theory on this, but from what I find is you undo this heel, there's bottom bolts, and then the transfer case bolt to it. I'm trying to figure out how this sensor works because there's no place for this sensor to go in that transmission, so I gotta figure that out. I'm gonna look into it tonight. What else? Yeah, other than that, it seems about the same. Good old International motor. What I'm probably going to change is, I gotta pull this harness off just because they are different. This has the whole harness for the transmission as well. So I'm going to pull that off and swap it out with the harness on the other one. I need to put some cat litter on this, making a mess. What else? Obviously this got to come off. There's no vacuum pump on the trucks. The fan's going to be different. It's recessed. The recessed different, so I got to get that off, but I'll probably go ahead and change the water pump out while we are doing it. I know that sensor got to be replaced. I might just pull it off the other truck. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I just got to do a little bit of figuring out what my plan is. So now I just got to get some parts, some seals and stuff, then go through and just switch everything over. And then once I get everything switched over from that one to this, we can go ahead and just put it back in the truck. So pretty straightforward. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do the water pump. We're going to do the water pump. Probably going to reseal, either replace or reseal the oil pan while it's out. I got to change this valve cover out. Probably swap both valve covers. We'll see. And that's about it. And I'm probably going to end up just taking that turbo, putting it on here. But we'll see. Yeah, so that's about all we got. That and the high pressure oil pump lines. These ones I want to replace. They kind of are leaking, so I just want to replace them. Get all that stuff cleaned up, and we'll be in business. Anyway, so this video might be a little long. I apologize, but what it is, I didn't do a whole lot of filming me actually working on it, just because that kind of get boring after a little while. So, but I'm gonna cover up the intake on this. That way, we'll kind of close the door. If we do get some rain, it won't go down the intake. But yeah, when I get some more time, I'm gonna come back through and work on this a little bit. But that is that, and I appreciate y'all watching. Staying tuned for the video. I'll have some more of this content later on. I'm probably gonna put this up tonight or tomorrow. It'll be out there for Thanksgiving for y'all. So I figure everybody got Thanksgiving off, so they might actually watch it. So if it is, y'all have a good Thanksgiving. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if y'all know anything about that sensor on the wheel end of this, let me know. If anybody in the area got a manual transfer case for 7.3, let me know. That one will work. I gotta change the input shaft though. It's not a big job. It just, if I could find one that don't have to do all that, I would. But if anybody in the Raleigh area, North Carolina, let me know. I might be interested. If you need that, we'll trade it, or I'll just buy it from you. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.